What's good, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. Um, we not finna waste no time. We finna get straight into it. Supply and demand. How I trade supply and demand. This strategy, I've been trading this strategy for about over a year now. Well, not over a year, but a little bit over a year. Um, I learned it from Doyle Exchange. I had bought his course a while back and everything. And yeah, Doyle. If you go look at his YouTube, you probably got some videos on there explaining it and all that. But I just wanted to make this video to, kind of help people out who probably don't know. Because I know it's a lot of people who be asking me, like, how I trade and stuff. So I'm just trying to do, like, a little educational showing you the strategy that I trade. Um, but yeah, let's just get into it, man. This strategy is a simple strategy, price action strategy. You don't need no indicators. But I do use indicators. I do use a few indicators that kind of give me more of an edge. But for the simple version, you don't really need indicators. Like, you can still catch good setups with no indicators. But let's just get straight into it. So, what is supply and demand? It's a way to read the market based on where buyers and sellers are most likely to be active. So, in simple terms, it's basically aggressive selling and aggressive buying in the market. So how do you draw supply and demand zones? Supply and demand zones are areas where, basically the area where the aggressive selling or buying came from. So I actually have an example of a demand zone marked up. This is just explaining what a demand zone is. If you want to pause and read it, you can. But this is just some copy paste stuff. Like, I'm gonna just explain it in my own terms. So let me go to the example that I have marked up. So this is a classic demand zone. So right here we got this aggressive move to the upside right here. Not really, kinda a break of structure, right? We got this. Hold on. Where is my drawing tool? I forgot what a drawing tool is. We got this semi-breaker structure right there. But we would usually want to see like something like you want the breaker structure to be more defined, like coming from like this, like right here. You want it to be like that type of breaker structure, but this is a small breaker structure, but we are already clearly in an uptrend. So with this strategy, going with the trend is gonna be your best bet, and how you get the most wins. But so we got this aggressive move, leaving a gap, and we go to where the move started from, the last red candle before it kind of shot up. But so we mark up the zone around that last red candle, and then when price drops back to the zone, we want to see a reaction going the opposite way of the zone. So we usually don't want to see candles close in the zone. Like, you want it to just wick out of the zone. But this is still valid, and we're still going with the trend. So this is a good example of a demand setup. And how you would enter is, once you see it reversing towards the zone, you would enter on some type of engulfing or breaking, whatever type of entry you want to. That's a whole different video on entries. But yeah, so supply zone, I got an example of supply zone too. So a supply zone, this one has a better breaker structure. So you're breaking that low. This is the type of breaker structure I want to see. So we got the supply zone, the aggressive selling created right here, breaking this low right here, and that is a great breaker structure that you want to see. We did just start a downtrend, and price shot up back to the zone, and no candle. Now this is how we will ideally want to see. We want to see no candles closing the zone, and we want to see it tap the zone and reject like that, and not close and flat the zone and wait for the engulfing or break of the candle entry. And then you can see this stuff be cooking up, like especially on gold, like supply and demand stuff. Like, damn, I can't talk. Supply and demand be cooking, bro. Like, if you really take the time to sit down and learn this strategy and practice it and back test it, you're gonna catch some good setup. Um, yeah, but shout out to the exchange room. That's where I learned everything from, and it's just been a good. This strategy's been treating me well. So a quick recap of supply and demand trading. So it's all about identifying the key levels in the market where the buyers and sellers are most likely to react. You mainly want to go with the trend. So if we're in a downtrend, you want to look for supply. If we're in an uptrend, you want to look for demand. But yeah, man, this is just a quick little, explanation, for somebody who has no idea what they looking at when they look at a chart. After this video, you should have at least somewhat of an idea of what to look for when you're looking at the charts. And but you gotta back test it, practice, train your eyes to just see it, and then it'll make more sense to you. And there's way more. It gets way more deeper than this, but this is just like for beginners, simple version. So yeah, I hope y'all learned something, took some notes down, and yeah, man, I see y'all in the next video. If this your first time watching, like and subscribe. But yeah, man, we out. Tomorrow, new month, new trading month. February, we're gonna get some more wins, man. January was kind of tough, but we gonna get some wins this month. Alright, but yeah, man, I'm out, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.